I'm catching some crazy stuff tonight, y'all. Oh my gosh, I don't need this. Look, check it out. Check it out. Check this out right here. Whoa. Mm-mm. I don't know what's going on tonight. This right here is not what I came out here for tonight, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Big old mudfish. Them little old bitty hooks that I be using, guys, them hooks ain't no joke. Can y'all see this young thing? He is so big. Hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna scoop it up. Oh, it's a big old mudfish right here. Oh. Okay. This is getting on my nerves. This is getting on my nerves. All this craziness out here tonight. This a mudfish. Oh, this sucker is big too. He's huge. Oh. It's a monster. This is not what I came out here for, guys. No. But let me tell you, these dead hooks that I be using. Okay, I don't want this thing to spin around this. We got some sharp teeth. Look at this thing up there. Look at this. Woo wee! Oh. But let me tell y'all about this dead hooks I be using. That big old mudfish. See these here hooks I showed them to you before. And they got it. Okay, now the dirty bass bent it a little bit. But look at it. It's got an offset. That's a size 6. And I told you it was an eagle claw, but it's not. It's a mustad. These babies right here ain't no joke. You need to get you some. For real. Okay, now. Let me deal with this dirty bass. Uh-oh, something else on the line, y'all. Don't listen. Hold on, hook down there on the other side. Speckled perch, y'all. Speckled perch. Speckled perch in the house. Speckled perch. Now, this is what I came out here for, y'all. This is what I came for. Yeah. They got to handle my business. Oh, boy. Look at that bass at. That dirty mudfish. Ooh, he's so big. Come on now, so I can get you. God damn it. Look at this. Look at this big monster. Back in the water he go. Bye, y'all. Bye-bye. Woo! Tell you the truth. The stuff we have to deal with as fishing persons. Mm, mm, mm.